Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the time travel feature on Google Maps. To start, you'll want to go to maps.google.com. Time travel lets you look at how a location appeared, going back as far as 2007 when Google Street View started. Some locations will have more years available than others. For example, Times Square will have more time travel spots than a residential area. To start, let's go to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. To get Street View, you want to go to the lower right-hand corner and drag this yellow figure onto the street where you want to go. Sometimes you'll need to click and drag to get where you want to go. Okay. So, to navigate, simply click and drag like so. So here's the Met as it appeared in October 2017. If you go into the upper left-hand corner, you can access time travel. Clicking here, you'll be able to see all the different times that are available, and the Met can go back as far as July 2011. So let's start there. So this is the Met as it appeared in July 2011. The date of the image can be found in both the upper left-hand and lower right-hand corners. So we can repeat these steps to see different views. Now, let's look at a different example. Let's go to Times Square. So we're going to do the same thing. Grab our street view and drag him to where we want to go. As you can see, now we are in Times Square. This is the view from August 2018. As you can see, compared to the Met, there are a lot more dates available. So, that's Google Time Travel. It's a very fun and interesting feature. Just always make sure to check the date when searching and keep in mind that some locations will have more images and locations available than others.